Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about if statement. If statements are used as decision points to check a series of possible conditions, then take a different action for each condition depending on the outcome. Let's start by creating a new file. If statement.php. Start with the heading H2 marks sheet. Let's assign few subjects and their marks. Maths 42, physics 40, chemistry 45, and the total marks will be maths plus physics plus chemistry, and the percentage will be according to the total marks divided by the maximum marks of the paper, like 50. So if each paper has a maximum marks of 50, then the total maximum marks 150. And let's create a grade table. So less than 50% will be considered as fail, and then 50 to 60 as C, 60 to 70 B, 70 to 80 A, and then greater than 80 will be considered as A plus. So if the percentage is less than 50, then grade is equal to fail, and a custom message, try again. Else, if percentage is less than 60, then copy this and paste it here, and the grade is C, and a message, need improvements. So copy this. Else, if percentage is less than 70, then the grade is B, and the message is improvements required. Else, if percentage is less than 80, then A, and the message is good. And then final else. If all the conditions are failed, then it will perform this, grade A plus, and the message grade. So here we will print the final message. BR for break, and let's print marks with the subject name, and the percentage, and finally the grade and its message. Let's check this. So here is the mark sheet. Maths 42, physics 40, chemistry 45, total 127, and the grade is fail. It is due to the fact that we have percentage, which means that we need to put 0.50, 0.60, 0.70 and 0.80, and then when we refresh, and here's the result. And if we lower the number, then here you can see that the grade is B. Let's change numbers and the grade C. So these are the conditions. If the first condition is not true, then if the second condition, and then if third, if fourth, and in this case if any condition is true, it will not read any other condition. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.